Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular 21.1 Swiss statement. So there is a new release of the Swiss statement. So let's have a look what exactly it is. So in Angular 21.1 introduces enhanced switch functionality with fall through case matching, enabling developers to reduce the template code by 40%. So let's have a look like how they are reducing up to the 40% the template code. This new feature allow multiple cases to share the same template block, right? Eliminating the code duplication. So what's new? That is fall through X support. Multiple cases can now share the same code block. Okay, very important. Reduce duplication. No need to repeat templates for the similar cases. Better maintainability, cleaner, more readable templates. Performance optimization. Angular optimizes away non-matching blocks. Okay, so at the rate switch basics. So this is basically a switch case. Okay, so your user case, and here we are mentioning the case. Okay, and the default, right? Here you can see that we have the editor, viewer, guest, and the admin dashboard. Okay, so these all are different. Key benefits over ng switch: no imports needed, built into the template engine. More intuitive syntax, read like a JavaScript switch. No wrapper elements required, automatic in all templates. Okay, so fall through case matching new in 21.1. So here you can see that in the case 0 we have the batch pending and the two times duplication of the template, right? Which is in the 21.1, it's not. You can share the same template to the two cases. Okay, so case 0 and case 1, same template sharing. Okay, so no duplication. This is the difference. Multiple other case statements without a code block will fall through the next case that has a block. This is similar to the JavaScript statements without break statements, but cleaner and the more explicit. Like before, you are doing like this template is different, like the same, but you are duplicating it. Okay, but in the latest version, so this is how you can use the same template block with the same cases. Okay, so this is the main difference. So here you can see that the for the different cases you have the same code block. Okay, so in the beginning I have mentioned here, right? Reduce duplication, no need to repeat the templates for the similar cases, right? So this is what it is. Switch statement 21.1, right? And if you want to migrate from the ng switch, CLI provides that one. So ng generate Angular core control flow from the old switch to the new, here the new syntax of the switch. Okay, real world examples like the status tracker. Okay, so in that case, if this pending is processing, then you are calling the same, that is in progress. If it is shipped out of delivery, then the other template. Okay, theme switcher, light, auto light, right? And then priority levels. Okay, the best practices use for the 3 plus conditions at the rate switch is ideal when you have multiple distinct cases. Group related cases use fall through for the similar outcomes. Include at the default, always handle unexpected values gracefully. Keep logic simple. At the switch is for the UI branching, not for the business logic. Use with the signals combined with the Angular signals for the reactive updates. Don't nest too deeply. If you need nested address switch blocks, consider refactoring. Don't use for the binary choices. Use added if else for the two options. Don't put business logic in the templates. Keep complex logic in component. Don't forget other default always handle edge cases. Okay. When to use at the rate switch versus at the rate if, right? So here you can see that use if for the binary conditions and use switch for the multiple distinct values. Performance tips: Angular optimizes away non-matching blocks, no necessary DOM nodes. Use with on-push changes detection for the maximum performance. Fall through reduces the template size, improving initial load time. No imports mean smaller bundle size compared to the directives. So this is example with the signals. Okay. So the summary, Angular 21.1 falls through address which reduces the template code up to the 40%. Multiple case statements can share the single code block. No imports needed. Built directly into the template engine. Automatic migration available. Better performance and the smaller bundle sizes. More readable, maintainable than ng switch. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video.